guys, Dinafolic residence and plantation, and I'm gonna show you guys what we did here. We did the whole bathroom renovation. You can see all the walls. Okay, we use a 12 by 24 porcelain and 6 by 24 gray porcelain, 1/8 grout spacers. And here you can see we did the niche, okay, inside the wall. We used the black porcelain, the same material we use on to do the corner seat. You can see all the cuts, you know, perfect cuts. And you can see this tile here, they flows all the way to the same cut, you know, with the bench. So that's a good detail right there. And we did the shower floor, that's 6 by 6. You can see the cut around the drain. Okay, look at the perfect cut. You see? And we did the curb on black porcelain too. Curb right there. And we did the floor. This pattern right here, you see the walls, same pattern. You can see the line, the grout line follows all the way to the floor. So the same line, same layout. That's unique for this bathroom. And we have it here in the cabinet. So this job here took about 5 days or 6 days, I believe, to do everything. We rip up everything, complete renovation, all the walls, floor, toilet, vanity.